Hello everyone, this is Miss Chelsea and today we will be analyzing graphs of functions. Graphs can show complex relationships between quantities in a visual way. So for instance, here we have temperature on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. Notice how as the slope is increasing, that means that over time the temperature increases. When the slope is constant or there's no change, that means that as time increases, the temperature stays the same. And then in the last section, as time goes on, the temperature decreases. Specific values are not needed on the axes. A sketch is a graph without actual values. It can help to visualize relationships. As something increases or decreases at a constant rate, the graph is linear. If the rate is changing, the graph is nonlinear. Let's look at a couple of examples. We are going to sketch a graph for each situation. An airplane takes off and climbs to cruising altitude. This means that it's going to start off on ground level and its height will increase over time until it reaches the altitude or height that it's going to fly at during the flight. So it's going to stay constant height at that point. It eventually descends and lands, meaning the altitude or the height above ground is going to go down. For the second example, Katie takes the school bus each morning. The bus makes 2 stops before it gets to school. Well, the bus isn't moving when Katie gets on, and it's going to speed up till it gets to the speed limit. Then it's going to travel at that speed limit until it reaches the next stop, where it needs to slow back down to a stop and then keep going. This means we're going to speed back up till we reach the speed limit and then go at a constant speed until it reaches the second stop. Once again, we're going to slow to a stop, let students get on, and then speed back up till we reach our speed limit. Finally, we're going to reach the school and we're going to slow back down. Now, it's important to keep in mind that if a graph is increasing at an increasing rate or decreasing at a decreasing rate, the graph is nonlinear, meaning it curves. For example, as the quality of a diamond increases, the price increases at an increasing rate. Let's sketch a graph to represent this relationship. So the independent variable is the quality, which as that increases, the dependent variable, the value, is going to increase as well. But the value is going to increase at an increasing rate, meaning the slope is going to increase and the graph is going to curve up.